SM Mall of Asia, a premier shopping and entertainment destination. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm about to take you on an exhilarating journey to one of the most iconic destinations in the Philippines, the SM Mall of Asia. But hold on, it's not just a mall. This area thrives with vibrant culture, breathtaking seaside views, and plenty of gastronomic delights. So, let's dive in. SM Mall of Asia, or MOA as it's popularly known, is not just a shopping haven. It's one of the largest malls in the world, spanning over 42 hectares. That's about 20 times the size of a football field. Imagine strolling through its vast halls filled with over 600 retail stores, not to mention the countless dining options. I could spend an entire day just exploring the shops here, but what always pulls me in is the unique blend of shopping and leisure. We have everything from high-end designer, whether you're a fashionista or just looking for souvenirs. From local cuisine to international dishes, fine dining to casual eats, there's a restaurant for every palate. I personally love winding down at one of the waterfront restaurants. Imagine savoring delectable dishes while listening to the sound of the waves. From fresh seafood to gourmet desserts, the culinary landscape here is rich and diverse. You can find everything from Filipino favorites to intricate Italian pastas. It's a foodie's paradise. But that's not all. Just a stone's throw away from here is the luxurious Conrad Manila. This 5-star hotel not only offers world-class accommodations, but it's also an incredible spot for leisure. Picture yourself relaxing at their infinity pool with a view that stretches over the bay. The Conrad is packed with amenities. From live entertainment to seasonal festivals, there's always something happening. Today, for instance, I can hear live music just around the corner. Plus, there are multiple areas for location and size. Situated in Bay City, Pasay, Metro Manila, MOA is one of the largest malls in the Philippines and the world, occupying about 16 hectares with a gross floor area of nearly 590,000 square meters. It is part of the SM Central Business Park, a reclaimed area along Manila Bay. Layout and facilities. The mall consists of 4 interconnected buildings: the main mall, entertainment mall, and north and south parking buildings. It offers extensive shopping, dining, entertainment, and convention spaces. The mall features a large ice skating rink, Olympic-sized, a new food hall with diverse dining options, and the SM Game Park with bowling, billiards, and other games. Entertainment and attractions. MOA includes the SM by the Bay amusement park with over 17 rides, including the iconic 55-meter-tall Mall of Asia I Ferris wheel offering panoramic views of Manila Bay. The open-air music hall hosts concerts and events. The mall also has a large cinema complex and a cyber zone for tech shopping. Seaside views. The mall complex is located along the Manila Bay coastline, providing scenic seaside views especially from the Esplanade and SM by the Bay area. This waterfront area is popular for leisure, dining, and amusement rides with views of the sunset over the bay. Pasay City. Pasay is a key city in Metro Manila, hosting the Mall of Asia complex and other commercial and entertainment hubs. It is well connected and close to the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, making it a convenient location for tourists and business travelers. Hotels. The MOA complex and Pasay City have numerous hotels ranging from luxury to budget accommodations, catering to tourists visiting the mall, the Bay Area, and nearby attractions. The food hall inside MOA offers budget to upscale choices including international cuisines such as Japanese, Korean, Thai, and Filipino. The seaside area also has restaurants where guests can enjoy meals with bay views. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this journey through SM Mall of Asia and its beautiful surroundings, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting adventures.